Hello everyone, this is Nikita Arkaran. Now let us see how to solve the problems of K-map. So here the question given is, reduce the following function using K-map technique. F of ABCD is equal to pi m 0, 2, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 15. Note that here the maths terms are given. So when it comes to maths terms, when they have given maths terms in the question, so you must represent these numbers as zeros in the K-map. So this is the format of writing the K-map, and the order of filling the positions in the K-map is as follows: 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is the order of filling the position in the K-map. So as I said before, represent these numbers as zeros in the K-map. So here 0 is there, so fill the 0th position with 0. 2 is given, so fill the second position or the 2 position with 0. Similarly, the remaining ones, 3 as 0, 8, 0, 9, 12, 13, 15. So fill the remaining boxes as 1. So this is how you must fill the boxes in the K-map in this problem. The next step is grouping zeros. So now let's group the zeros in this problem. So now let's see if there are any octants present. Octants means 8 zeros in alternative columns or alternative rows. As you can see, there is no such octants present in this problem. So now let's move on to the next one, that is quad. So as you can see here, there is a quad. Group that one, and there is no other quad present in this problem. So now let's move on to the next one, that is pair. Here you can see a pair, and you can pair this 0 with this 0 and this 0 with this 0, and this is it. This is how the grouping is done. And now represent these groups in the form of A, B, C, D. So let's take this group, this quad group, and this 0 in this group can be represented as A, B, C bar, D bar. Write down that A, B, C bar, D bar, and this 0 A, B, C bar, D, and the next 0, that is this one, A, B bar, C bar, D bar, A, B bar, C bar, D bar, and this 0 A, B bar, C bar, D. After writing like this, cancel the opposite terms, that is B bar get cancelled out, B bar, D bar, D bar, D, and write down the remaining one, that is A, C bar. And next represent this pairs. Let's represent this one. This 0 is represented as A bar, B bar, C, D, A bar, B bar, C, D, and this 0 A bar, B bar, C, D bar. Cancel this one, and the final answer is A bar, B bar, C. Now let's represent this one. This 0 is represented as A, B, C bar, D, A, B, C bar, D, and this 0 A, B, C, D. Cancel this one, that is A, B, D. And now the final one, this pair, it is represented as A bar, B bar, this 0 A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, and this 0 A bar, B bar, C, D bar, C, D bar, and cancel this one, A bar, B bar, D bar. Now write down the obtained answer in the form of SOP. SOP, that is sum of products. Like this, the answer is like this: A into C bar plus A bar, B bar, C plus A bar, B bar, C plus A, B, D plus A bar, B bar, D. So this is the SOAP form of the answer. So as they have given the max terms in the question, you must convert this SOP into POS, that is product of sums. Product of sums. Sum of products means sum of products. Product of sum means the next thing. Product of sum, it is written like this. Just write the opposite thing. A bar. In multiplication becomes addition. C bar becomes C. And bracket this out. And here it is plus. Write down this into. That's it. Similarly, the next one, that is A bar. A becomes A plus B plus C bar into A bar plus B bar plus D bar into A plus B plus D bar. Product of sums. So this is the final answer. As they have given the max term in the question, you must convert into the product of sum. If they have given the min terms, there is no need of converting it into the pos. This will be the final answer if they have given the min terms to the question. Now the next problem is about Quine-Mikulski method. Solve using Quine-Mikulski method. F of ABCD is equal to, the min terms are given 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14. Now let's come to the solving part. In the solving part, first write down the min terms that are given in the question, M0, M1, M2 up to M14. Now the next step is to write the binary equivalents of the given term, that is M0 0000, M1 0001, M2 0010 up to M14. Write down the binary equivalents. The next step is grouping. The grouping is done as follows. Now let us consider this term 0000. Now let us see whether there are any other term that is similar to this one. As you can see, there are no other term that is similar to this one. So group this one, only a single group. Now let us take this term 0001. Now see whether there are any other term that contains only a single one. As you can see here, there is one term 0010 and here one term 1000. So group those three numbers, those three terms as a single group like this. After grouping the single ones, next group those terms that have two ones, 0101, 0110, 1001, 1010. So group those terms that have two ones, and similarly group those terms that have three ones, that we have 7 and 14 here. So this is how the grouping is done. The next step is stage 1. In stage 1, the comparison is done between the groups in such a way that it only differs by one place. So let us take an example. Let us group this. Let us name this as group 0, group 1 and group 2, and this one as group 3. So let us now consider group 0 and group 1. Let us compare this group 0 and group 1. So when we compare like this, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now it differs only by one place. So take that one, 0, 0, 0 and blank. Put that blank in a place where it differs by one position, like by 1, 0, 1. Now let us compare this with this, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and now it is differing by one place. So consider that one, 0, 2. Similarly, this and this, here it differs by one position. So consider this. After comparing group 0 with group 1, now compare the group 0 with group 2. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. It is differing by two places, two ones here. So don't consider that. Don't consider 0, 5. Similarly, compare group 0 with compare this term with this term. Here also it is differing by two places, and similarly here and here also it differs by two places. So do not consider those terms. Now compare group 0 with group 3. Here it differs by three places, so do not consider that. After comparing group 0 with group 1, group 2 and group 3, now let us move on to the next one. Group 1 and group 2. Compare these two groups. So when you compare 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Now it is differing by only one place here. The rest are similar. So consider that one, 1, 5. Similarly, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 0. It is differing by 3 places, so do not consider that one. So here now next this one 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 comma 9, consider that one as it is differing by one place here. So in the same way, compare this one with this one. Here it is differing by two places, so do not consider. So this compare this one with this one. It is differing by two places, so do not consider. And next move on to this one. Here it is differing by two places, so do not consider. And similarly this one, do not consider as it is differing by two places. So next compare this one with this one. Here it is differing by two places, so do not consider. And now compare this one 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0. It is only differing by one place, so consider that one 2 comma 6. In the same way 2 comma 10 8 comma 9 8 comma 10, group those as it is only differing by one places. After comparing group 1 with group 2, now compare the group 2 with group 3, and the results are here 5 comma 7 0 comma 0 1 comma 1 0 comma 1 1 comma 1, as it is differing only by one place here, so consider that one. Similarly 6 comma 7 and 6 comma 14 and 10 comma 14. So this is how stage 1 is done. Now the next step is stage 2. So in stage 2, the comparison between the groups in the stage 1 is done in such a way that it differs by two positions. In the stage 1, it was differing by one position. In stage 2, it differs by two position. So now let us consider this term. This term has the blank space in the last position. So here you must consider, you must compare this group with this group and see whether in this group there any term that have blank in the last place. Here you have this one, so compare that one 0 1 0 0 0 0 on blank and blank, so it is differing by one place here and the second place is here, so consider that term 0 comma 1 comma 8 comma 9. So similarly compare this group with this group. You see if there is a blank space in the last, so here we have one, so 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1, so it is differing by three places, so you cannot consider that term. So similarly take this term and compare this with this. So okay, so let us see if there is blank space in the third in this group. So here we have one, so 0 1 0 0 blank and blank, so it is differing by one place here, so consider that one 0 comma 2 comma 8 comma 10. So similarly compare this one, this group with this group and see whether there is any other term in this group which has blank in the third position. Here we have, so you cannot consider this because it is differing by three places. So similarly if you compare this group 0 with group 1, group 0 with group 2, you will have these answers. So this is how the stage 2 is done. After sorting out the terms in the stage 2, now let us cancel those terms which are common. For example, which are common in stage 2. Okay. So for example, 0 comma 1 comma 8 comma 9 and 0 comma 8 comma 1 comma 9. Here those two terms are similar except for the position. So cancel out any one. Let us cancel this one. And similarly 0 comma 2 comma 8 comma 10 and 0 comma 8 comma 2 comma 10. So cancel out this one and 2 comma 6 comma 10 comma 14, 2 comma 10 comma 6 comma 14. Cancel out this one. So write down these terms here as it is. Write down this one also like this. And when it comes to stage 1, look out for those terms which are not present here. Like for example 0 comma 1, it is present here, so do not consider it. 0 comma 2, here it is present. 0 comma 8, here it is present, so do not consider. 1 comma 5, you cannot find it in this stage 2, so consider that one. Similarly 5 comma 7 and 6 comma 7 you cannot find here, so write down this term as it is. Write down the following grouping also. So after writing down this, now after writing down like this, we must convert this into the ABC form. For example, like let us consider A, B, C, D. The positions are A, B, C, D. Now let us consider this term. Here it is blank and here also it is blank. So do not consider A and D. and if there is 0 put bar, and if there is 1 do not put bar. Here B bar and C bar as it is 0. Similarly here B bar and D bar, here it is C because it is 1 and 0 because it is D bar because it is 0. Similarly these three, write down these three. And finally write down in this SOP form, that is sum of products, y is equal to B bar C bar plus B bar D bar plus C bar C D bar plus sorry, it is here here it is A bar C bar D, A bar C bar D, and write down this in the SOP form. After writing down the SOP form, now put the table for the prime implicants. Prime implicants M0, M1, M2 up to M14, the minterms that were given in the question. Now in the prime implicants table, write down this as it is. And even write down the numbers also, respective numbers. Now after writing down like this, tick those positions that have these numbers like 0, 1, 8 and 9. Similarly 0, 2, 8 and 10. Now similarly do the rest one. So after completing this, ticking those positions that contains these numbers here, look for that column which only have one tick mark. So when you look at this column here, you have one tick mark, one tick mark. There is no other tick marks in these columns. So consider those. And now then cut off this like this. Then strike off those tick marks that is present in the same row and same column, and here also, and this one here, and this one here. And now similarly do that, do it for this also. Yes. After doing like this, the remaining ones are this one. No, this will also be cancelled out. The remaining on will be this one, and this one. So if you consider this A bar B D, it will cover all of this. So the final answer will be y is equal to B bar C bar plus C D bar plus A bar B D. B bar C bar, this one, and C D bar, this one, C D bar, and finally A bar B D. A bar B D is considered because if you consider this one, it will cover all of this. So this will be the final answer.